What up, Go Auto fam? Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Go Autopilot on the Windows desktop PC. So first things first here, we're going to have to download this through either Google Chrome browser, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, or DuckDuckGo, whatever is your preferred browser. So first thing, I'm going to open a browser here. So let's go down here, open a new window, drag this over. I'm going to type Whop.com, hit enter. Now we're going to go down to the side here, go down to Go Algo, click on that. And as you can see, we're all inside the previewing the automation bundle. So this is what, if you're an automation bundle subscriber, would see. So you would have access to Discord automation. So basically access to Discord for support and talk to other members as well on how it's set up, possibly on settings for strategies and all sorts of things. And you can claim access with your Discord username. Next up is tools here. This is where you can download the Go Autopilot desktop application for Windows here. And then the TradingView indicators can be claimed here. Just put your TradingView username and then claim indicator access. If you're subscribed to the cores or the elites or whatever, go ultimate, the pro, the core, you will not be able to get access to these indicators since that's only standalone software. Now we're going to go in here. I'm going to download this. We're going to click on this button to download. Download for Windows. There we go. Now it's downloading up in here to the top right. As you can see, I clicked it twice by accident. Since we already have it downloaded in here, I'm going to click it to open. I'm going to hit run. While that's running, there we go. You're going to do either for anyone who has access to this computer or only for you with this specific profile. So I'm going to click only for me. Hit install. While we install this, might take a bit to install, but once installed, you can immediately launch the app and hit finish. Hit finish and it will launch the app. There we go. Check off run Go Autopilot. Then hit finish. And voila. Now you have access to the new Go Autopilot app. So if you need any other questions on how to download or any issues like that, just feel free to reach out and we can help troubleshoot this. Most likely your firewall might be blocking this, so you have to click more info, then hit run anyway, and it'll allow you to download the application. But overall, once you get bypass that, you can easily download it and then run the software immediately. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you guys later.